Hey, good morning, everybody. Jason here. So yesterday ended up pretty good. Today we're up a little bit, not a whole bunch, but enough to buy lunch or something at least. So we have these Apple calls that are expiring. They're most likely expire worthless. Apple also had a little bit of a pop up this morning, but it'd have to rip up quite a bit in order to make those things not garbage. I did roll out one credit spread this morning, but got interrupted while making the video with phone calls and stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and move along. So this is the next one I'm going to roll out here. Rather than letting this expire worthless, because a lot of people ask about that. So yes, I could let this expire, but I'm risking my, what is this? This is a $500 collateral for $8. Not really worth it. And then on top of it, then I would have to wait tomorrow. The rest of the day today, I'd have to wait tomorrow. And then it wouldn't be until Monday to where I could use this collateral to collect more premium and allow some theta decay. So I'm going to roll this out. And we just go to our options and go find this guy. So this was that oddball number. Can't remember why we ended up with it, but so we'll grab that and roll that out a couple weeks. See if they have something right around the same money. What was that? A 667. Yeah, we'll just do a 675. And we'll grab 100 and something, whatever it actually allows us to get. Let's try to grab 118 bucks. All right, got filled. And that is, let's see, 670. So another $10 here. So this is a $10 maximum gain if I waited for it to expire for $750 collateral. But we'll do the same thing here. And we can roll these out to wherever. We could roll these down if we wanted to. Up just depends on how much risk we want and how much collateral we want. So we'll buy back the 670, sell the 662, and we're going to roll that out a couple weeks. Let's do a nice, what are these? What are 660s getting us right now? Actually, this would be the same amount. We'll grab one of those. See if we can grab 140 bucks here. No, they don't want to give us 140, so we'll ask for a little bit less. Let's try 138. There we go. That's rolled out. So the reason I do these at different strike prices is because some of them, when they're nice and low and nice and out of the money, I don't have to worry about them. I can let them get super close to expiration and collect almost all the premium. If they were somewhere even close to the money as we're getting close, then I would want to roll those out preemptively and not be able to collect as much of the premium when I'm rolling them. The last one we have is the SPY. SPY's been doing pretty well. So I'm going to close these guys out. And on the SPY, I'm going to open up some pretty close to the money. So we've got 3 of those, and we will go to, let's see, May 28th. What do we already have here? Oh no, that was May 21st. That's what I wanted to do. And we're going to sell those pretty close to at the money. We'll have 3 of those. See if we can grab $36 a piece. Those are kind of nice. About a third of the premium back for your collateral, depending on where we can actually sell them. Maybe 34. There we go. And got those sold. All right. So now we're now we're down $9 on the day. So basically, all we have now expiring is stuff that'll probably end up worthless unless we have some pretty good pops on some of our underlyings, or just 2 of them, Tesla or Apple. But I went into those knowing those are very high risk, high reward plays, so those are fine with me. And then our next set of next week, we have quite a bit going on. And I do have a few debit spreads already opened. I have these 890, 900 calls. And the 795s. All right, guys, if you have any questions on that, let me know. Tomorrow I'm going to roll out all of my covered calls expiring next Friday to the following one and collect some more premium. So, hope you guys have a great day, and let's make a lot of money.